I've lived in Michigan my whole life and always known and been told about the incredible fly fishing opportunities we have here, but for some reason, I just never got out there and tried it. Until today, I'm at this beautiful river with hopes of catching some trout on the fly. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's so much action out here, guys. Oh, there he is. Got him. Come here, buddy. This is so much fun. I don't know why I've never tried to fly fish before. I can definitely see the appeal. Beautiful little rainbow trout right there. Let's go. First ever trout on the fly in Michigan. What an accomplishment right here today.
I'm not casting in the main hole right now.
See you later, bud. Oh, he's gonna crush it. Oh, no, he's gonna crush it. Come on. There he is. Oh, he came off. Oh, there he is. Come here, buddy. Oh, look at him jump. Let's go, dude. This is amazing. I've never had so much action on trout before in my life. It's probably because I just never fly fished. Beautiful little brown trout right there. Love to see it. There's not like crazy big trout in here, but there is definitely a lot of numbers.
There's some big ones.
Oh, there's big ones. You just got to find them. Oh, he missed it. I'm just happy that I'm catching fish. There's another one. Beautiful. Come here. This is insane. The most trout action I've ever had in my life. And I think all it was, I just needed to pick up a fly rod for once. Beautiful rainbow. Let's keep on cranking. And another. Dude, there's just non-stop action. Hopefully we get some bigger ones, but I'm having fun right now. We're gonna take a second and hear a word from today's video sponsor, which is Piscifun. Now, I've been working with Piscifun for quite some time now, and I absolutely love other reels, and now they're making rods, which are all high quality and budget-friendly rod and reels. But the two specific reels I'm using in today's video is the Piscifun Illumix 1000 size ultralight spinning reel right here. You're gonna see me absolutely slam some smallies on this reel. It is my favorite reel for ultralight creek fishing. This thing's super light, smooth, and an amazing reel. But the main star of today's video, which is the Piscifun Sword right here, an absolutely perfect reel for beginner fly fishermen as myself. This comes with the backing and the main line, so you don't gotta worry about figuring all of that out. And it's also very budget friendly. If you don't wanna break the bank on your first fly fishing reel, you can get this one today. And if you wanna use my code JFB18 to save yourself any money on Piscifun products, be sure to do that. It helps support the channel as well. So let's get back to the video.
I need to get a chest, bro.
He's got it. Come here, buddy. Let's go. We got another one. It's been a minute since I've hooked one. Oh my gosh, he's running right at me. Let's go, dude. Another beautiful little rainbow. These fish are all just so dang pretty. See you later, bud. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. He absolutely inhaled that thing. Come here, dude. This is ridiculous. Just nonstop action out here. You love to see it. Although I'm getting hungry. All right, off he goes. Hiked up to another spot here. There's trout and there's a ton of smallmouth, so we're gonna do a little bit of both. Got the fly and the Ned rig. Let's try to catch them. There's a fish. Literally, oh my gosh, that's a good one. That's a good fish. Come here, dude. First cast back there with the, oh my gosh, what is this thing? That's a smallie, dude. That's a big one. Oh my goodness. Let's go, dude. That is. River smallmouth are my favorite thing to catch of all time. Just the way smallmouth fight, put it in a river with the current, next level. It's definitely, there's like 4 of them, right? We cast right behind it. There's 2 of them right behind them. Oh my gosh. This guy is, dude, he is ripping. Let's go. That is a beautiful fish. What a pretty bronzy right there. You'll love to see it. Favorite fish of all time right here. Back down she goes. Oh, he bit it. He bit it. That's 2 in a row. Oh my gosh. That's a good one.
That was gonna be my fish.
Dude, you can't beat the netty. Dude, that's a good one. Oh my gosh. These fish are insane. That's why I love river smallies. Oh gosh. Not done yet. Let's go, dude. About the same size as the first one, but another beautiful bronzy. Let's go. See you later, bud. All right, we're gonna call on fishing right now because I am so hungry. So we're gonna go cook up some lunch and then come right back here and start slaying them again. Got the potatoes cooking up first because they take the longest. But then I also got some corn. And then I bought these tenderloin fillets that are wrapped in bacon because they were on sale and they look amazing. So that's what we got for lunch today. It's gonna taste amazing. I'm absolutely starving. This is looking amazing. Steak, potatoes, and corn. What a wonderful lunch right there. Moment of truth for this steak. How'd we do? A little more overcooked than I would have liked, but it's fine. This hits the spot. Back out here after lunch. Gonna start off with the fly rod and try to catch some more trout. See a ton of them already jumping over here. I think it's gonna be pretty good. There we go. Come here, buddy. Dude absolutely crushed it. Just a little rainbow. Down he goes. There we go. Oh, he came off. Jeez, I don't know, that was in English. Oh my gosh, did you see that? He jumped out the water for that. That was like some bass action right there. Another beautiful fish. See you later, bud. There we go. Honestly, they've gotten more aggressive since the sun went away. Although the bugs have also gotten more aggressive too. Oh, he came off. That's what we call a quick release. Oh my gosh. They are absolutely jumping after these flies. Down he goes. There we go. Another one. Come here, bud. This one looks like a brown. Be my first brown trout in a minute today. If it is. Yeah, there he is. Little brown. What a beautiful trout right there. Well, the bite has been slowing down ever since this overcast came over, and the bugs are just getting absolutely ridiculous. But we're gonna try to find a new game plan, either fish more downstream or upstream, but we're probably gonna move spots here. I mean, this spot has been amazing all day long, but it's starting to slow down now. So let's find something new. Hike just a little bit upstream at this next spot. See if there's any fish. I already saw one jump, so they're probably here. It seems like they're everywhere in this river. Here we go. Oh, I saw him coming beneath that. Let's go, dude. So sick. Another rainbow. All right, see you later. Yep, there he is. Come here, dude. Amazing fly. Tied by the one and only Kyler. Off he goes. Well, there you have it. That is where we ended the day right there. We tried a few other spots, but we didn't end up catching any more trout. But that was actually incredible. I've never had a day like that on a river, fly fishing, catching that many trout. So it was absolutely incredible. Super glad I got to get out there and just try to fly, try something different, and it definitely paid off. So if you guys want to see some more fly fishing content, let me know in the comments down below. I mean, I'm going to do it anyways, but it's always nice to see you guys enjoying the content. And if you did enjoy this one, be sure to leave a fat thumbs up. And as always, folks, fish with passion.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.